Hello YouTube, and welcome to my boat. Well, it's actually not my boat, it's my father-in-law's, and we're spending the weekend with them. It's about 4.5 hours drive north from where we live, and it's more out in the wilderness than where we live, and it's located by a lake, and I've been out rowing for an hour now, just for fun. I've been on this lake before, but not in a boat. I've been in a canoe, but I prefer rowing. And since I'm on the water, I'm smoking plug today. I'm smoking Warhorse. And I think it's really good. But it's a bit sneaky. I realized that, was it 2 days ago, I was smoking it and it was tasting fine. I was feeling fine. But during the last quarter of the bowl, the nick hit suddenly got me. And I don't mind a bit of nicotine, and I've smoked Warhorse without this happening before, but suddenly I was dizzy and a little nauseous, and it just happened real quick. So I had something to eat before I lit this bowl. And I don't want to get sick when I'm out rowing, and I don't really know where I am. I just stranded the boat here. I'm having some coffee and a pipe. I suppose I'll be heading back home once I'm done with that. Yeah, I don't have much more to tell you, really. I just wanted to do a sort of Pipes and Kayaks, but in a rowing boat. And I'll be adding some footage of the lake and some of my rowing techniques at the end. So you'll see that I'm an inexperienced rower. It's been a long while since I was in a rowboat. Okay, I thank you for watching. Take care. Smoke some plug. Bye.